Number two, you are going to be determining the graph is a function. If so, determine the domain and range of your function here. All right, so this is a line. So let's see if it passes the vertical line test, right? Look, it does look like it passes the vertical line test. So we can actually say this is a function. Now we can look at the values. The domain is referred as the x values. So let's take a look. Notice the x values here doesn't stop. It is an arrow. So this is a negative infinity. We put a parenthesis around negatives. And then here, this is the right end. That goes all the way to positive infinity, comma positive infinity. And you also put a bracket there as well. Let's take a look at the y values here because that is what a range is. Oh, okay. It only looks like it's one value here. It is a 3. So this is only the value of 3. Doesn't go anywhere. It just stays as 3. The highest value it is 3. The lowest value it is just 3. Okay, you don't even put it as an interval. It's just 3. Now let's take a look at B. Let's see if this is a function first of all. Yep, look, it passes through 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So that is a function. So we can just take a look at the domain now. This is a function. So remember the domain is referred as your x values. And look, it stops right here at -5. And do you see how it's opened? So it's a parentheses. Then the largest x here is 5. 5, and you see this is closed. So you put a bracket. Now let's take a look at the range, which is the definition of the y values. Notice the smallest one here. It is -2. And notice it was closed right here. So it was closed at -2. And then it goes all the way up here until it hits that 2 value, which is also closed because it touches it right there. Then the last one, C. Let's draw our line down the middle to make sure it is a function to see if we can do that. Uh-oh, look, it passes through more than 1 point. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that is not a function. And because that is not a function, we cannot determine its domain or its range. Okay, so there you go.